a Merry Christmas to you and your families. So today's video is going to be very simple, easy, and straight to the point. I'm just going to be showing you how I quickly DIYed this Christmas wreath. So the first thing you're going to do is use a carton and use two different circle elements to just draw the outer part and the inner part of the circle. Then you're going to cut it out.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
After which you're going to glue your garland to the circle.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun
Then you're just going to add Christmas ornaments and you're done.
it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
Guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys, peace.